So now guys, you can see when you will go to the Creative AI dashboard under my project, you will see the video is ready, our 53 seconds video. Now you can just simply download that video. Okay, let's wait for it to get downloaded, and it will be downloaded, and you will see that video over here. Okay, that is under demo. Here we have this video, and you can see that this is the video we have created.
SEO, or search engine optimization, is the practice of improving the visibility and ranking of a website or a web page on the search engine results page SERP. It involves optimizing various aspects of a website or a web page, such as increases the likelihood of the website receiving organic traffic from search engine.
Okay, so you can see guys, in this way you can just create any AI videos very easily using the tool. Okay, so now my friends, you can see that we have created this AI video. Okay, so you can use it for your editing purpose and all, and if you want to remove this basically the background of that, so what you can do is that you can just go to this kind of website called as pixel.com. Okay, you can just go and search for Pixel, and you will see this Pixabay website also. So you can just go to any of the website, and here you can just search for background image. Okay, you will see this background image. So this is completely free to download, so whatever image you want to download. Okay, so what we can do is that we can just replace this green path with this image, okay, which you will going to choose. So here you can see that I have found this particular image. So you can just search for any one of them here. Okay, and I want to go with this one, so I can just simply click on this download button, and after that the video will be downloaded. Or I can the image, not video. Okay, so after you will open this particular image, so this is how the image will going to look. So what we will going to do is that we will going to replace this image with this green background. Okay, so for that we will be using CapCut application. Okay, so it's very easy. So basically this is one CapCut. So it's a free video editing tool available for all the devices, for Windows, for Android devices, for iOS devices, okay, for iPhones, iPad as well, for Android tablets and phone as well. Okay, so we will going to use it. So it's free. Just go to your App Store, Play Store, whatever it is. Okay, so you will going to go here and just search for CapCut. Okay, so you will be able to see here. If you will not going to see here, you can just search on Google, download CapCut. Okay, and you can basically download it. So here you can see we have this CapCut installed. I have. Okay, but I will going to show you in the iPad or iPhone or Android phone version. Okay, so what I can do is that let me just see this. Okay, let me just go to Finder, downloads, and I have got this video over here. Okay, so I will just simply put this here. So I have these two here. Okay, so I can just share it to my iPad. You basically don't have to do anything. Okay, it's just my tasks which I am doing, so I have just transferred it. Okay, so now I will going to share you the screen of my iPad. Okay, so let me just share. Okay, so let me just share it. Okay, so here I am in my iPad. Okay, everything is great. Now we will be using this CapCut. Okay, so now just open this CapCut application. You can even download it from your Play Store, App Store. Okay, just go ahead, and it will be also available in your Play Store, App Store as well. Just click on this search button. Just search for CapCut. Click on search, and basically you will going to see that application over here. Okay, so we have already installed. Just open this CapCut, click on new project. Now first of all, what we can do is that we can just go to photos. I have this particular image. I will click on this add button. Okay, and then I will going to add one video. Click on add overlay. Now I will go to video, and we have created this AI video. I will select that, edit. Okay, and here we have the particular video here. Now just click on this image one. Okay, and just drag it, just drag this corner, okay, to right side till where our video ends, and at very back you will always going to see this cutout CapCut watermark. Just select that, click on this delete button. Okay, now what you can do is that you can just click on this video, okay, second video with the green background, and like you do image zoom in zoom out, so just zoom out here like this, so we can just fill out the complete one. Okay, and just click outside anywhere here. Okay, just go back, and from ratio also make sure that you first select to YouTube version, and then click on this apply. Okay, and then you can just click here, okay, on this image. You can also drag it. Okay, you can see this corner. Okay, so this white image is this part, so I'm just zooming it out so it fills out completely like here. Okay, done. And after you will do this, my friends, just go to just go back. Sorry, let me just undo it. And then from here you will just click on this overlay. Okay, and then just click on this green one. Okay, and then you will see this option of a cutout, and then you will see this option of a chroma key, and from here just choose the color picker. Okay, so just drag it to the green position like this. Okay, and select the intensity then and increase it. So you can see you are increasing it, so more you will going to increase, more good it will going to look like this. And let me just see it. Okay, now if I will play the video.
SEO, or search engine optimization, is the practice of improving the visibility
Right,
and ranking of a website.
so you can see this is how you can remove the background. So you can just choose any background and you can use it. You can just generate unlimited AI videos. You can put any background you want. Okay, and of course you can just do editing and you can use it for your any marketing purpose and all. Okay, that's it, very simple. And this is how you can remove background. Now let me just stop the screen sharing from my iPad. Okay, so that's it, and this is how you can just remove background, my friends. And one more thing that might be helpful is that if you want to know about CapCut, so I have also created the CapCut course here. Okay, so let me just see it over here. Okay, so this one, so here you will see we have created plenty of complete tutorial. We have so many videos here. So of course we have not yet added this particular course. You can see plenty of videos here. So if possible we will going to add them to our course. So for now you can see this much course, but of course when you will be watching, so you can see that course will be here on our website. So you can just simply search for CapCut and you will find that course particularly here. Okay, and also if possible we will going to put that course link in the bonus section of this particular course or in this video description. So make sure you guys check it out that. Okay, so that's it, and this is how we have taught you how you can create AI videos very easily. Okay,